Alright, in this video I want to talk about how OpenBOM can help engineers. Let's say you do a design using one of the professional CAD software packages, and there is a moment in your design that you would like to ask help to purchase part, to send this bill of materials to procurement or production planning. So each software package today, each mechanical CAD system or PCB design system will allow you to create Excel export, and this is the beginning of the problems, because from that moment you will be sending Excel to a person who will be working with you, but it will be disconnected. So let's say this person started to use your Excel to order parts, and next day you find a problem, you find a mistake. So you create another Excel, you send to the person, and at this time there are already prices in this Excel, the supplier information is in Excel, and many other things can be in Excel. So now you have two Excels, you need to mix them together, make changes, and the process continue. A lot of pain, and let me ask you, how many times you've been in this situation? I bet a lot. So OpenBOM can help you, and here's how it will happen. So first, you install OpenBOM plugin for any CAD software that you use. So you get this plugin, and instead of sending Excels, you create OpenBOM bill of materials. It's easy, it's one-click operation. You create OpenBOM bill of materials, and then you share it with the person who is, for example, doing procurement and purchasing parts. So OpenBOM bill of materials is shared exactly the same way like Google or Office is sharing files in the real time. So you can make changes simultaneously, you can update this information. This is the best part. So at the moment of time you need to make change, OpenBOM intelligently merge information from your design to this bill of materials. Nothing is lost. So the person who put price information will preserve this information. The person who put supplier information, it will stay there. Even more, if you put some non-CAD parts, let's say glue, grease, in the bill of materials, this information will be always preserved. So OpenBOM intelligently merge information together, and you will always work in the same bill of materials, so no changes will be lost from both sides, also from procurement side and also from design side. So what I recommend you, try it today, try it tonight. Try it the first time you need to create bill of materials from your CAD system. Go to OpenBOM, install a register account, download plugin, install it. It all together will take you 5 minutes. And then try to create bill of materials and try to share it with the people who is doing procurement with you. And you will see that your life will change forever, because no more Excels. So let me know how it goes. My email is oleg@openbom.com, and I look forward to hearing from you. And that's all for today. Have a great weekend, happy Friday, and talk to you soon. Bye-bye.